Hi friends, happy Saturday. It is a fabulous day on the Wildwood Beach. I'm going to take you down to see the water. It is so clear, it's like being in your bathtub. Let's see if we could take a look. Look at that. You see my piggies in the sand? In the water rather? It is beautiful. The water temperature is gorgeous. And there are loads of people out here today on this August Saturday. I hope you're here enjoying the fabulous weather. And if you're not, I'm glad that you're joining us on this live video. In case you don't know, it's Mama Loretta. And I am at my favorite place in the Wildwoods, which is the beach. I would live here if I could, right here on the beach. Maybe not in the winter. It's been a very busy weekend down here already. Boardwalk was busy last night. I don't know if any of you sunny watchers noticed that Frankie posted a video yesterday that we had 80 of the cute little seagull stuffed animals on the pier as prizes for the rides. Just 80. Not sure if there's any left today. But I can tell you that a lot of people were trying to nab them yesterday. They're awfully cute though, aren't they? And they're such a symbol of the Wildwoods. The seagull, the French fries. Doesn't get any more typical than that, right? I'm sure tons of you have had seagulls swoop down and nab fries or pizza or hot dogs out of your hand on the beach or on the boardwalk. Even our own Joey has lost a hot dog or two to the seagulls on the beach. It's kind of funny. Maybe not to him, but I sure laughed. Our guards are hard at work. Unfortunately, not for much longer. Next weekend is Labor Day, and then most of our guards have headed back to college or will be heading back. And I believe that Joey has already posted the info on the dates of when the guarded beach will stop, especially during the week. But for now, they're here and we're here. I see lots of you have seagull stories. They're very crafty, those Wildwood seagulls. They know how to swoop down and just pick that food right out of your hands. Lots of boats out there today too. People jet skiing. Very hot and sunny. Little hazy though. Got to be careful. Put that sunblock on. Got a sandbar out there, it looks like. There's a silver bullet. Dolphin watching. Woo. Lori's Piers is up and running. Last night was a great night on the boardwalk. Yours truly got soaked. And when I say soaked, I mean soaked. Just watching the log flume. I guess when the sign says splash zone, that tells you should move. Felt good though. And it was so hot up here yesterday that I dried immediately. Still got lots of great time down here. The rest of this weekend, all next week, and then next weekend is the big Labor Day. The official end of summer, but not really. September is beautiful here in the Wildwoods. And if you can get here, some people say it's their favorite time of the year. Less crowded, but still have the beautiful weather. Unfortunately, some of us have to go back to work. Some of us are already going back to work. Some schools have started. I fortunately don't have to go back to work till Thursday, so I will be here all week, hopefully sending you some more great beach video. You have to admit, that is your favorite sound in the world, isn't it? Just listen. If I could just go to sleep listening to that sound every night, it would be a beautiful thing. Some jet skiers out there. Can you see them? I do apologize. I know that some of you are asking some questions. The sun is so bright in my face that it's very hard for me to read them. So I'm not ignoring you. But I am happy to see so many of you following us today. Someone asked, is the water warm? Yes, it is. You know, I'm one of those people who does not go into the water until August because I don't like the cold water, but I can guarantee you that this water is beautiful. It's not like bath water, a little cooler than that, thank goodness, but absolutely gorgeous August water temperature. don't know what the temperature actually is. I'm sure Joey would, but I can just tell you that I am indeed walking in it, which I do not do when it's too cold. And look at how clear the water is. Is that not just gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. Another beautiful Wildwood Beach day. So happy to see so many friends watching today. I hope you are enjoying this little stroll. You can always save this video in the middle of winter when you think that it will never end. You can come back and watch the video and remember how beautiful it will be in just a few short months. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed our stroll on the beach. Oh, hi Jesse, nice to meet you as well. So happy to see all of you following today. I hope you get down here soon and you stop by and you say hey. I know a lot of you know what Joey looks like. Some of you only know what he sounds like, and you seem to find him wherever he is. So if you do, stop by and say hi. It is always a welcome, wonderful thing when friends stop by to say hi. I know I love it. Joey loves it. Julia loves it. We all love it. So you enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Bye-bye.